Hey guys, what's going on? It's Michael with Michael's Semi-Daily Updates. I just want to jump on here. I know it's been a little bit since I've been on here. I apologize. Been working, traveling. Just got back in town to make a video, but I have been watching the stock market, and the stock market's still doing good. Still on the way up, which is always a good thing. We haven't had this much consistency in quite a while, so I'm just going to get down to it. You know, I think, my personal opinion, no financial advice, I believe the market is going to be going up till believe sometime in November, and then we might, get a stop around Christmas, around December, Christmas time, and all that. But crypto market seems to be on the way up. It's been moving here recently, and some stocks I'm going to talk about here moving up. The stock market after hours, just the S&P 500, everything's up after hours. So it's been a good day. But let's start with Microcloud hologram stock, ticker symbol HOLO. Still hold on to all of my stock. As a matter of fact, I have bought a little bit more, averaging, price cost averaging, so I'm down to an average about 22 cents, and I hold over 5,000 shares. I'm not buying as much right now because I'm not sure what it's going to do price action. I'm happy where I sit. I have enough invested, so if it goes big, that'll be great, and if it falls a little bit, which I believe it may, then I'll just keep buying more on the way down. Then when it gets really cheap, I'll buy right before that reverse split and hope we get some price action then. With this stock, you got to just be careful. You're either going to win big or lose big, so do what you feel. Don't listen to all the pundits out there. If you're up big, take some profit. There's a chance to buy back later. If you don't want to sell it, don't sell it because you're afraid you're going to miss out on an opportunity. With this stock, you truly don't know. But today it was up 16.5%, fell to 23 cents. 23 cents held beautifully. And then, stayed, kind of slowly climbed up the rest of the day. And then after hours, shot up like crazy, up to 27 cents last I checked. And like I said, the whole market's up after hours. So this, it either needs to get to $1 in so much time, guys, which I don't, my personal opinion, which I hope I'm wrong, but I don't think it's going to do that. And then, so then it's going to have to do a reverse split to get it back over $1 to stay listed. So there's going to be some movement in this stock here regardless. We just don't know when. But so good luck to all you guys holding it. I hope you guys have made some cash. I hope if you're still holding it, just keep dreaming big, and no financial advice. You guys do what you truly want to do. But I hold on to a lot of it, and I'm excited about it. I'm not going to lie. A couple other things I want to touch on real quick. I don't have a lot of memory on my phone, so I'm going to have to hurry. Is ticker symbol APLD Applied Digital. Been talking about it for a little bit on my website. It's up 9% today. Wrote some numbers down here. Up for the week 25%. The month it's up 65%. It's right now, that guys, at $7.72. Beginning of September, it was $3.15. I bought it at about $3.84. I bought a bunch of shares, and I sold a little bit too early. Bought back in at $5, I think, and 30 cents, which I thought was a little high, and now it's shot back up to $7.72. I will say, you may on this stock, at this point, and don't listen to me, no financial advice, do what you want to do. You may want to wait for a pullback because the fair market value on this stock is $8. But it is a data center, which are big right now, and I think they're going to be big in the future. I don't think they're going to go anywhere but up. But, it's up 65%, guys, this month, from $3.15 to $7.72. So keep your eye on that. Ticker symbol APLD, Applied Digital. It's a data center. Came out with earnings. Not that great, and then since then it's been on the rise. I mean, it did drop. That's when I bought it at $3, but then it's been crazy. So watch out for that one. And another thing I want to touch on, guys, is Micron technology. Don't listen to these pundits. This is just a good lesson, and I should know this by now, but Micron technology, I held 126 shares of it at $66 when I bought in. I had an average share of $66. So then, at $88, I read this article where the pundits say, oh my goodness, it's terrible, Micron's not going to, it's the AI boom, it's going to fall back down to $69. So I was up a good bit, so I'm thinking, you know what, and I like the stock too, but I went against what I thought, and I'm like, I'm just going to take my profit while it's there. The market's up, and after today, it's up. It's crazy. It's up 15% after hours, beat earnings. I think it was expected $1.13. I think it came in at $1.18. So, and now last time I looked, it was at $110 a stock. So I sold it at 88, bought it at 64, sold it at 88, but the pundits told me it was going to drop to 69. So go with your gut, do what you feel, because there's nothing sicker than not listening to your head and being wrong and missing out on a bunch of profits. So Microcloud hologram stock, do what you feel, just be careful. It's one of those stocks that you can possibly, hopefully, guys, get rich on. It's also one of those stocks where you could lose every single penny you put into it, so please be careful. you don't know really what it is. It doesn't put out a lot of news. That's not good, you know what I mean? I'm just being honest, but there is an opportunity, you know, possibly an opportunity to lose too. Remember that. APLD, ticker symbol APLD, watch that, guys. It's got a big future. It's still a cheap stock, still $7, fair market value $8. You may want to wait for a pullback on that. And then Micron Technology, another stock, is another data center that I really liked, and I listened to those pundits, pulled out. It's now $110. I'm going to wait for a pullback, but I think another good entry point. I don't know really what it's going to do. You know, maybe about $100, $90, and see where it goes from there. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for all the comments and the support. Up to 350 subscribers. I think I lost one, might be down to 349. I don't blame you. I haven't made a video in a long time, and I know it's probably frustrating, but you know, if you could like and follow, I would love you for it. I try to make videos when I can. I just try to watch the stock market and see movements. I watch it so much that I kind of know where things sit, but I can't predict the future, that's for sure. I don't give financial advice, I just give my opinions. That's all I'm doing. So if you'd like and subscribe to the channel, it definitely helps me, definitely helps get these stocks out there. Microcloud, hologram stock, Applied Digital, Micron Technology, Snapchat. Snapchat was another one I've been talking about for a while. When it was anything below $9, I think is a deal, and I've came out good on that. So the market's going good, guys. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up, Mr. Market. And you know, comment on any stock ticker symbols you might like me to talk about, or if you have anything to say on what I'm saying right now, any advice, anything. Yes, I'd love to hear from you, and I appreciate all the support. You guys take care, and I will see you later. Let's go.